If you're thinking of roof replacement, talk to an expert first before you outlay tens of thousands of dollars. I get a lot of calls about roof replacement, and when I start asking them why are they after a roof replacement, they say because they've got various issues on their roof. And I ask them, let me come around and inspect your roof for you and see if it does need a roof replacement or a good quality roof restoration. Because in a lot of times, the money factor involved in a roof replacement can be saved. A good quality roof restoration can be a fraction of the cost of having to replace your roof. So get it inspected, get somebody that knows what they're talking about,